what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So I'm going to be showing you all this unit from Julia Hair. This is a perfect color for the season. I love like the auburn type of red colors, and it's just so beautiful. So curly texture, so super nice. Of course, that's everything that came in the packaging. And then let's go ahead and get into the actual wig here. So we have a 13x4 transparent lace, and this wig comes pre-plucked very nicely, I might add. So I actually did not pluck this unit anymore. I didn't do anything to this unit actually. All I did was bleach my knots, and then of course shampoo this hair. So even with bleaching the knots, I kind of felt like I could get away with not bleaching them and then just tinting the lace, but I did go ahead and bleach my knots anyway. However, this is the unit before anything has been done to it. And then of course I'm going to go ahead and shampoo it. So this wig is definitely can be worn glueless, has a lot of adjustable straps, everything like that. So very nice. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and mix in my bleach powder and then just put that on my wig, let it sit until it's ready. So I didn't do anything special, super basic and normal type of install. So I cannot wait to let you guys just see the end results because I did love this unit. So if you guys have any questions for me, please leave me a comment below. But if you want to just check out this hair, if you'd like to purchase it, please go ahead and look at the description box. I have all of the links down there. Yep, I think that's it. I just need to tell you guys to please like and subscribe to my channel. And be sure to stay tuned for more because I cannot wait to see you in the next video.
You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I just lost hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do stick to the business. But you came out the blue, then you just flipped it. Goddamn baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is real, we could build, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, then you just flipped it. Goddamn baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one.